2020 was the year in which our strength was tried, our faith was challenged, and our normalcy was shattered. But you have always risen beyond the challenge and proved to be stronger, to be resilient, to be people who cannot be cowed down. And 2020 was a year when we lost hope. But this year is a year when we're going to regain our to have our normalcy restored, our strength rebuilt, and our faith re-energized. We'll be scaling the heights. We'll be moving beyond what people can even never think of, or what they can never imagine. For we are a people of God. We are the people who are chosen by God. Happy New Year.